Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The state government is entitled and empowered to fix the age of consent full stop. The state can make reasonable classification, but while making any classification, it must show that the classification has been made with the object of achieving a certain end full stop. The classification must have a reasonable nature with the object sought to be achieved full stop. In this case, the justification given by the state is only that it does not want to punish those who consummate their marriage full stop. The stand of the state is that, keeping in view the sanctity attached to the institution of marriage, it has decided to make a provision in the nature of exception to Section 375 IPC full stop. This begs the question as to how, in this exception, the age has been fixed as 15 years and not 18 years full stop. As pointed out earlier, a girl can legally consent only after she attains the age of 18 years full stop. She can legally enter into marriage only after attaining the age of 18 years full stop. When a girl gets married below the age of 18 years, the persons who contract such a marriage or abet in contracting such child marriage, commit a criminal offence and are liable for punishment under the Act full stop. In view of this position, there is no rationale for fixing the age at 15 years full stop. This age has no nexus with the object sought to be achieved with, maintaining the sanctity of marriage, because by law such a marriage is not legal full stop. It may be true that this marriage is voidable and not void ab initio except in the state of Karnataka, but the fact remains that if the girl has got married before the age of 18 years, he has right to get her marriage annulled full stop, irrespective of the fact that the right of the girl child to get her marriage annulled, it is indisputable that a criminal offence has been committed, and other than the girl child, all other persons including her husband, all those persons who were involved in getting her married are guilty of having committed a criminal act full stop. In my opinion, when the state on the one hand has laid down that awaiting child marriage is a criminal offence, it cannot, on the other hand, defend this classification of girls below 18 years on the ground of sanctity of marriage, because such classification has no nexus with the object sought to be achieved full stop. Therefore, also exception to insofar as it relates to girls below 18 years is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India full stop. There are many other offences where the husband is either specifically liable or may be one of the accused full stop. The husband is not given the immunity in any other penal provision except in exception to Section 375 IPC full stop. It does not stand to reason that only for the offence of rape the husband should be granted such an immunity, especially where the victim wife is aged below 18 years full stop.